Alright, next up, Airbus A330-243 from Porto. It's Air Transat C-GUFR. Nice and low on that one. Alright, next up here we've got a Boeing 737-824 from San Francisco, United Airlines. N17245 is registration. Little windy out. Alright, coming up here we got an Berea E175 SU from LaGuardia, New York, C-FEJD. Air Canada Express. Way down the runway. Alright, up next we got a Boeing 737-8CT from Windsor. It's a WestJet. Registration C-GYSD. Where are you? There you are. Look at that sun. Alright, up next we got an Berea ERJ-145LR from Philadelphia. American Eagle, registration N905JH. Coming up here, we've got a Bombardier Challenger 300. No registration info on the air map or the air app, and no to and from. coming up next right there is an Embraer or Berea E175SU from New York, Air Canada Express, Jazz Aviation. Registration C-FRQP. Woo, look at that focus, that light. Throws it off a little sometimes. Alright, up next here we got an Airbus A320-214 from Winnipeg, Air Canada. Registration C-GJVT. Alright, next up we got a Mitsubishi CRJ-900LR from Charlotte. We got an American Eagle. Registration N577NN. Alright, next up we got Mitsubishi CRJ-900LR from Windsor, Air Canada Express, Jazz Aviation. Registration CGJZS. Oh, sorry, got a bug on me.